3 reasons why you should watch All Is Well. Number 1, Humshuckles made you LOL. Number 2, you want your IQ to go down by at least 10 points. Number 3, you need motivation for suicide. Oh bhaiya, all is well. Not. I just got back from All Is Well, first day, first show, and all is definitely not well. I seriously think I've had some sort of brain damage and I need some sort of therapy. So if you guys know of any psychologists or maybe like, some sort of monastery or an ashram where I can renounce the world, but still be somehow connected to pizza, just somehow let me know in the comments below. This movie is so bad that I really don't want to talk about it. I mean, like half the people actually left like before the intervals, so you can imagine how bad it was, and I sat through the whole thing. Those are 2 hours of my life that I'm never going to get back. Basically, the whole movie is like Abhishek Bachchan's character going like, hey man, I've got daddy issues, I'm a rock star, and I live in Bangkok, I don't know what I'm doing in India. Daddy issues. And Rishi Kapoor is like, I hate my son for leaving me and going abroad. I love my bakery. That's the only thing I have in my life. Oh no, I need to pee. Arson is like, hey, I'm the most happiest person on earth and I think positively because I truly believe that if you think positively, you'll get whatever you want. Even though I'm getting married to somebody else and I love somebody else, but that other person who I loved is not interested in getting married to me, I know one day I'll get married to him because of my positive thinking thanks to The Secret. And Supriya Pathak is like, बेटे को स्कूल जाना है. See, she was basically playing an Alzheimer's patient and somehow she was acting like she had half a brain removed. So you can imagine how bad the movie is. And like when watching horrible movies in a hall by yourself, there's always that moment of, self-awareness of your situation and, awareness of the situation, like you're the shitty situation you're in. And for me, that happened when there's a song with Abhishek Bachchan dancing with, diamond studded, like, YOLO written over here and swag written on the other hand. And he's like doing shit like that. I'm like, oh my god, what am I doing? There's also this one scene, they're at a dhaba, they're eating and Abhishek Bachchan wants to pay for the food but he's got a credit card and dhabas don't accept credit cards, and somehow they got a bill of $4,000 at a dhaba, just the 4 of them, so which is retarded. So then how does he pay the bill? He has to do an item number with Sonakshi Sinha. I'll quickly go over the relative positives of this movie. One was the main long-haired dude, that actor who's there all over the place these days. He had exactly 1.2 funny lines in the whole movie, so that was like a positive. Mikesh from Permanent Roommates had a tiny role in this movie, so it was kind of nice to see him. Now, do I think this movie is worse than Humshuckles? Probably not. I mean, Humshuckles was a completely different level of bad. This is just one level above that. It's pretty close, but relatively Humshuckles is a worse movie, which is really not saying much. That's my review for this movie. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any comments, leave them below. We can have a discussion. Please share this video with all your friends and tell them that all is not well with this movie and that if they watch All Is Well, they'll probably jump into a well. You see how bad that joke was, but if you multiply the badness into 150, you'll reach All Is Well, and if you multiply that by 300, you'll reach like Humshuckles level. So that's how bad this movie is. So like and share this video, follow us on Facebook and Twitter, and subscribe to Ugly Child Productions so you don't miss the next Das Ka Beast movie review. Majhi is also out this week. I'm really looking forward to that movie, and I guess if you have to watch a movie this week, go for that. Don't go for All Is Well. So unless this traumatic experience and the memories of Humshuckles doesn't get the better of me and I end up killing myself, I'll see you guys next week with a new review. Thanks for watching.